haven't even started and I'm sweating already. I had to move the bikes around to have enough space to change the oil of the new IBEX 450 by CFMOTO, the 2025. I hit around 717 miles and I'm actually behind. I was supposed to change it most people are supposed to change their oil when they hit around 500 or 600 miles. So that's what I'm gonna do today. We're gonna start by removing the plate, and hopefully this video is useful. Like I mentioned, if you get to 600 miles, oh my, 769 my bad. Anyway, another tip is take your bike for a spin before you change your oil. It'll make it much easier. Something I forgot to mention is that to remove these bolts, I used number 4, and for the ones on the front, sorry about the dirt, that's from my last trip, I'm using number 5. And now we have easy access to this, and this. Ta-da! Okay, now that that's off, you know the drill. I'm gonna leave the link of all these goodies in the description, and hopefully this will help me get the oil filter out. That's usually the one thing I have trouble with. The oil, you can get it from CFMOTO's website. It'll come with 3 release, a brand new oil filter, a brand new washer, and some stickers. Okay. Let's get this started. Okay, so to remove that bolt over there, you're gonna need a 17mm socket wrench, and put this at the bottom. I'm gonna open it, try to catch the washer behind it, and let all the oil out. And if the bike is warm, it should be easy peasy. Someone tightened that with vigor and I hit my head trying to get it loose, but it's loose, and I'm going to do this by hand and the oil will come out. Hold on. Ooh, it's nice and warm. Almost. Okay, we'll just let it be for a few seconds. This is my least favorite part. Oh. Oh. Okay. I'll clean it up afterwards. Just make sure you clean that oil there. To the best of your abilities, as well as the magnetic bolt. Okay, now we're going to smear a little bit of oil on the rim so it doesn't go dry in there. Okay, now let's put it back in there. That should be fine. Okay. It's time to put the bolt back in. And to be honest, the old washer looks perfectly fine to me. But smoking, if you got them, I'll just use the new one. There we go. Just put it back on. It's still leaking a bit. Clean it, and then put this in there. Okay. Just so you know, the manual does say that you have to tighten it to a specific torque, which is 18.425, blah blah blah. So good luck. Okay, we're gonna go to the other side and take these with us because we are almost done. We're gonna remove the cap here, and the manual says that we need 2.64 quarts, and each of these is 1. So let's get to it. And the third one should be somewhere around here. So, and you have that line to see. Okay, almost there. Okay. See? I would say about that. We're going to close it up, start the bike, let it run for a few minutes and then check the oil here and see if it needs a little more. That's great. I will eventually put something at the bottom of the kickstand so I can level the bike a little bit, and hold on and check the oil level here. This is oil level B and this is A, this is C. The oil level has to be in the middle, in level B. Okay, it's official. This boy is ready for Route 66 this weekend. I'm super excited. If you have any questions about how to change the oil, let me know. Hopefully I did it right and hopefully I can answer your questions. If not, I'm happy to do all the heavy lifting and read the manual for you and find the answers myself. Hopefully you can follow along the trip. And for now, that's it. Thank you for watching. And now I have to clean up my mess.